go?
Ooh, take her right there. Oh, and then open that door. But there's those two goons, so watch out.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of those guys real quick.
Oh yeah, kill the guy with the.
I got the Glock with the switch on it.
Huh?
Got the Glock with the switch on it.
Hit the screwdriver guy.
Got him. He's down.
All right, now try the door.
It's fucking locked. It's locked.
Jeez. Well, burger break. Oh. Are you serious?
Fuck!
I got fucking yum sauce all over my controller. Shit!
I just got this shirt.
How am I supposed to keep gaming with fucking sauce all over my goddamn controller? What even is that?
Mr. Spacehog, what are you doing here?
Looks like you need a burger you can trust.
We do. Look at my shirt.
Assemble the Boner Boys.
Whoa! Spinning Buns, burger spot.
That's it.
Boner Boys, are you guys hungry?
Yeah, I could eat.
I'm starving.
Come on, let's go.
Ah, the Bricked Up Boner Boys have found themselves enslaved to a hunger so unrelenting, so thunderously carnal, it eclipsed all logic and civility. But make no mistake, this was no jovial indulgence. This was war, and the battlefield was lined with buns sealed tighter than the gates of Troy.
Holy shit, y'all. Spinning Buns, what a treat. We pulled up deep, no seatbelts. Our stomachs, empty. Our spirits, bricked. These were pressure sealed relics, encased in a vacuum of flavor. No air, no nonsense, just pure, bricked up Boner Boy beef energy.
Senior, I'm a little pig. It's nice now.
Alright guys, I'm here with the Bricked Up Boner Boys. I'm Joey. I've got me a spicy spin and a classic spin double, because I'm a big boner boy. Guys, I'm sorry. I just can't wait. I'm fucking digging in. What the
Brick. Call that.
Brick?
Good call, Joey. I got the spicy spin, some fries, onion rings, and a good old-fashioned GP.
Thank you for that, Preston. I appreciate it. We're here at Spinning Buns, and I'm super bricked.
I'm bricked.
For this sandwich. I got the spicy spin, add mushrooms, because I'm a mushy boy. And then I got some onion rings and an ice cold DP.
Thank you for that, Emilio. Like you were saying, we are so bricked. We're here at Spinning Buns. I got the fried chicken spin, I got the steak spin, and I got some mango nectar as well.
I'm O'Hara and I got the water cup.
Oh, yeah.
Let's be honest, the burgers never stood a fucking chance. These were the moments we found peace. Not in the bottom of a cup, not in the depths of a gym locker room, but here, sealed inside a spinning bun.
You gotta help, it's so spicy.
You need milkies?
The way that we hug to try to keep warm while taking a sleigh ride. Magic moments, memories.
meal, a missile, a myth.
We're down a touchdown. We need a gift from God to win this fucking game. We know when we need to run, right, boys?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We need the bricked up boner play.
They're not ready for this one.
Fucking bread.
Brick.
Awesome. Yeah, perfect.
You're doing great.
Thank you.
Those are good.
Now it's time for some sweets. We got 4 different options right here. We got PB&J. We got Nutella. We got Biscoff. And last but not least, s'mores. And you better believe it, there's ice cream in that. Come on, let's dig in.
It was gooey. It was creamy. It was dangerously delicious.
What the fuck? Why does this keep happening? But link in the bio.
And when the last crumb was gone, it was time to say goodbye.
But I feel like it was gonna fly off, but I'm Brig.
Dude, that's such a